So I think in the industry, there's a lot of talk about the art of the possible. And I think when it came to using the eQube tools, we actually found that it was possible. So that was one of the differences to us. Is we, as I mentioned in the presentation, when we started in this journey, we tried out other tools, other providers, other solutions that said we can get this done, and ultimately we tried and found that they just weren't suited for the task. So that was one of the biggest differentiators for us, and not only did the tool set works, but also the folks that we partnered with, the actual people, they did have the ability to execute, and that was the main part. We set a plan and we got the job done, and it wasn't around it has to be specifically within this many hours on this given time frame. It was buckle down, get it done. They were working right alongside us as like Moog. So that was a good part of us. It really fit in seamlessly into the team where folks wouldn't know it was a difference between Moog people and EQ folks. It was one team. Where I see the partnership going is we now have a digital thread. We have begun a digital transformation, but there's so much more to come. There's so many more things that we can tie in, other applications, other systems, other data. So we know we have the ability using the eQube MI tools to tie the things together, and then we also know we can get value out of all these disparate systems using the tools through kind of the BI side, through the business intelligence side. So that's really where I see it going is using the connections and then using the data to provide a better customer experience for our users, but also be able to have an advantage as well, to be able to take all this data and all these systems and be able to pull it together to ultimately get it to our engineers and to our manufacturing teams.